Thinking about buying web hosting and curious if Bluehost is the right choice? This Bluehost review video is just for you. In this Bluehost review video, I'm going to be doing a complete review of Bluehost web hosting, going over everything from the pricing, plans, features, customer support, along with providing you with a website speed and performance test on a fully functioning website using Bluehost. I'll also be providing you with a Bluehost discount that will get you up to 83% off web hosting, plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the Bluehost web hosting discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost hosting discount. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit Bluehost. Bluehost was launched in 2003 and is recommended by WordPress.org. Bluehost and WordPress have worked together since 2005. Bluehost provides comprehensive tools for all, whether you're a beginner or an expert. Bluehost powers millions of websites and is trusted by 2 million users. Bluehost offers hosting services such as shared hosting, VPS hosting, cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, dedicated hosting, and WooCommerce hosting, which is perfect for online stores. Bluehost also provides you with a website builder that is powered by AI, making the website process quick and easy. With Bluehost, you can purchase and register domain names. Bluehost also offers professional services such as web design, digital marketing, and WordPress support service. Alright, now let's break down Bluehost hosting plans, what they cost, and what you actually get for your money. Bluehost's most popular option is their shared hosting. There are 3 main plans under this. You get the basic plan for as low as $199 a month. The basic plan comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes SSD storage, and is ideal for 40,000 visits per month. The Choice Plus plan you'll get for as low as $395 a month. The Choice Plus plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes SSD storage, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. The Choice Plus plan comes with phone support, daily website backups free for the first year, and domain privacy free for the first year. The E-commerce Essentials plan you get for as low as $645 a month. The E-commerce Essentials plan comes with 100 websites, 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, and is ideal for 400,000 website visits per month. Automated real-time backups with Jetpack and WooCommerce auto install. This plan is good if you're going to have an online store, as it comes with a bunch of extras like secure payment processing, WooCommerce auto install, product subscriptions, visitor memberships, offer paid courses, affiliate program, custom email templates, and easy social logins. Something I want to note is you can have an e-commerce site with the basic or Choice Plus plan as well. You just won't get the extra e-commerce features the Bluehost E-commerce Essentials plan provides. All 4 hosting plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, free SSL certificates, free domain for the first year, web application firewall, DDoS protection, free CDN by Cloudflare with Argo routing, AI site creation tools, and 24/7 support. Now that we've covered the Bluehost plans, let's talk about domain names because every website needs one, and Bluehost makes it easy to get started. When it comes to picking your domain name, Bluehost makes the process super flexible. You can register a brand new domain right during checkout, and the best part is you get a free domain name for the first year when you sign up for any Bluehost hosting plan. That's a nice bonus if you're just starting out and want to keep your upfront cost low. Already have a domain name from another provider? No problem. You can connect it to your Bluehost account quick and easy so you're not logged into buying a new one. And if you're still brainstorming the perfect name for your site, no worries. Bluehost also gives you the option to choose your domain later, so you can secure your hosting plan now and decide on your domain when you're ready. Now let's go over Bluehost terms like the billing cycles offered. At checkout, you can select the term for your Bluehost hosting plan. Bluehost offers a monthly term, a 1-year term, and a 3-year term. You get the cheapest pricing with the 1-year term. Alongside the core hosting plans, Bluehost also offers a variety of add-ons that can enhance your site's security, performance, and functionality. These add-ons aren't required, but depending on your goals, they can give your site a more professional, secure, and scalable foundation. Now let's go over the back end and control panel of Bluehost. Once signed up, this is what the Bluehost control panel looks like. You can easily access different things within the panel. To access or create an email account, click Hosting in the side menu. Scroll down to where you see cPanel Email. Click this to create a new email account. Click Continue with email account selected. It'll take you to the cPanel where you can easily create your email address ending in your domain name. I'm back on the home page of the Bluehost control panel. If you click Websites, and then Settings under the website, you can access a bunch of features like security, backups, speed, and more. You'll see your Bluehost name servers listed here. Now let's cover the cPanel. To get to the cPanel, click the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see cPanel. Click the Manage button. You'll now be on the cPanel page. From the cPanel page, if you type Soft Aculus in the search field, click the Soft Aculus Apps Installer. It'll pull up lots of ways you can create your website if you don't want to use WordPress, which is used by default by Bluehost. When it comes to customer support, Bluehost offers 24/7 customer support via chat and phone. Bluehost also offers a support knowledge base that has guides, tutorials, and answers to questions that you might have, which can be helpful. Now let's go over the site speed and performance of Bluehost. For this test, I used a fully functioning website so you can see how a fully functioning website will perform. The site loaded on average 1.3 seconds. Great website performance. I also did a performance test and here's the results with all the different locations. Something to keep in mind is I chose a server in the US, so you'll see great performance in the US as it's closest to the data center. You'll see the DNS speed, time to connect, TLS, and time to first byte. Great performance. So is Bluehost the right web hosting provider for you? If you're looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly platform that comes with a free domain, solid customer support, and one-click WordPress installation, then yes, Bluehost is definitely worth considering. Ultimately, it depends on your needs, but now that you know what Bluehost offers, the choice is yours. I hope you enjoyed this Bluehost review and tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.